giant hailstorm. Take a look at these. Some of these are the size of golf balls. Ow! They're going to really mess our garden up. I hope that everything survives. My goodness. It's been going on for maybe 10 minutes now. Holy smokes. That was loud. The hail's settling down. Take a look at the porch here. Some of these, I said, were on the other side of the house. I saw were nearly the size of golf balls. You can hear some of the banging. I was taking a shower and it sounded like someone was throwing ball bearings on the roof. I hurried out and this is what I found. Wow.